Namaste. Today is Mohini Ekadashi, and listening to the Vrat Katha on this auspicious day holds great significance. As mentioned in the Padma Purana, observing this fast liberates one from the bonds of attachment and sins. The tale unfolds like this. Long ago, nestled on the banks of the sacred Saraswati river, lay the resplendent city of Bhadravati. The wise king Dyutiman, a descendant of the Chandra dynasty, reigned justly over this land. Within the same city resided a prosperous Vaishya named Dhanpal, a fervent devotee of Lord Vishnu, renowned for his charitable deeds. He was blessed with 5 sons, but his youngest, Drishtabuddhi, was a source of deep sorrow. Drishtabuddhi was steeped in sin and wickedness, indulging in gambling, alcohol, and consorting with disreputable women. Despite Dhanpal's repeated counsel, Drishtabuddhi remained unyielding in his vices. Finally, in despair, Dhanpal banished him from his home. Homeless and penniless, Drishtabuddhi resorted to theft to survive. The first time he was caught, his identity as a Vaishya's son spared him severe punishment. However, his luck ran out the second time. He was imprisoned and subjected to harsh penalties, after which the king himself expelled him from the city. Lost and disheartened, Drishtabuddhi wandered aimlessly through the dense forest. Driven by hunger and thirst, he stumbled upon the serene hermitage of the revered Maharshi Kundinaya. Witnessing his miserable condition, the compassionate sage advised him to observe the sacred fast of Mohini Ekadashi during the Shukla Paksha of the Vaishak month. Trusting the sage's words, Drishtabuddhi diligently observed the Mohini Ekadashi fast according to the prescribed rituals. Through the power of this fast, all his accumulated sins were eradicated, and in the end he ascended to Vishnuloka, riding the divine Garuda. Therefore, was so torn to go through the door, and his head was always in the clouds. Who observes this Ekadashi fast with unwavering devotion is freed from all sins and ultimately attains the blissful abode of Vishnuloka. Lord Krishna himself narrated the importance of this sacred fast to Yudhishthira. Merely by hearing this sacred story of Mohini Ekadashi, one accrues immense virtue. Happy Mohini Ekadashi to all. If you found this information valuable, please show your appreciation by giving the Val icon a thumbs up through likes, shares, and subscribing to this channel. This will ensure you receive such enlightening videos first. Thank you.